What is being careless? It's when people show a very irresponsible behavior, a very casual behavior or a casual attitude towards people or a certain task. They do not do things mindfully, they do not do things with involvement, they just do it inappropriately, inaccurately, and don't care about it much. This careless behavior is often observed in many people, which actually turns to be a negative pointer in their personality. Being careless is something that do not allow you to progress and have a lot of headwind towards your progression, because there is no one who likes careless people around themselves, because they are not trustworthy, they do not do things with accuracy, they do not do things with involvement, they just do it for the sake of doing it. This kind of carelessness actually fuels your unsuccessful journey in life. I haven't really come across any person in this world who would like to work with careless people. We love people who are carefree, we love people who are stress-free, we love people who are joyous, but carelessness is something that is intolerable in this world.